Hey guys, thank you guys for clicking on this video. And as you can see the title of the video, I'm going to be making a matching skirt and jumper for me and Carlin. So, let me tell you guys this now. The video is a little choppy, but there's a good outcome at the end of the video because I feel like I did great with the skirt and also with the jumper. I'm self-taught. Everything that I know, I either watched it on the video or I read it or I saw someone else do it. So I'm teaching myself. I think I did a hell of a good job. So if you want to see the outcome and you want to see how I did this skirt that I have on right now, you'll get the full view at the end once you keep watching my video. So if you want to see the outcome of it, please continue to watch and like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. So let's roll the clip. I bet y'all can't guess what I'm about to do with this fabric. Such a pretty fabric too. Okay, so this is how I cut out the shape of the fabric for the jumper. I just use a current shirt that Carlin can fit and some pants that she can fit. Okay, so I'm about to start, I finna say snowing, because it's snowing outside and I'm looking. But anyways, I'm about to start sewing, and this is the sewing machine I use, the Brother. It's been a while since I sewed anything, so I hope I still remember how to do it because I am self-taught. I teach myself how to sew, and I haven't sewed in about a year, so hopefully I still remember. You guys, also, when you sew, you take a couple steps up. Always hit the back stitch so that you can back stitch, which is okay. There we go. All right. Okay guys, here's Carlin jumper. I can't wait till she try it on. It's just the jumper. I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like when it's on her. Oh, this is the outcome of the jumper. Turn around, Carlin. Turn around. No, turn all the way around. And turn back around to me. Ooh. I'm about to take the rest of the fabric and make me a skirt. So we're going to see how that's going to turn out. So I'm going to get back to you guys when I iron this and straighten it out. And yeah, put my touch to it. Okay, y'all. So now I pin all this side up together so that I can make the skirt longer. If you understand what I'm saying. Well, so it can be a longer skirt around my waist, and I can make it scrunchy. Like, you'll get what I'm saying once I do it. But like I said, I pin this up so that I can make the skirt longer. All right. Make sure it's close to the edge as possible, but without it going off the edge. Get what I'm saying? Hopefully. Like I said, I'm a beginner and I'm self-taught, so basically I'm teaching myself how to sew. Watching videos. Make sure you watch your hand. forgot to let you know that if you are a beginner sewer, do not hit the pin, because I hit the pin before and I had to change my whole needle. Oh, can't see. I had to change my whole needle here just because I hit this pin. So I guess it kind of tipped off the end of my needle and my whole machine wouldn't work, because it shut all the way down. So if you have one of those kind of sewing machines, your sewing machine will shut all the way down and it won't work until you change this needle if you hit this pin. Okay, I just thought I'd come and share that. Okay, y'all, now I'm about to fold this up so I can hem it. Fold it up and iron it going across, and then I'm going to sew it so it would stay. That's where I'm at now. And sorry if this video going to be a little choppy. I don't have anyone to hold the camera for me in my tripod. I can't find it right now, so this is the way I'm doing my video. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I got an elastic that I wrapped around my waist to measure it and cut it. Once I wrap it around and it fit around like it's supposed to. Now I'm about to take this and fold it down like this, and then I'm gonna go all the way across with that, and then I'm gonna scrunch this. I'm gonna let y'all see once I finish folding it down and sewing it like that. But I'm not gonna have the elastic band under it. I'm just going to measure it and move the elastic band and sew it like that. I hope that makes sense. So when you're sewing the part you have to put the elastic through, make sure you leave a small open space so that you will be able to feed the elastic band through it. So do not sew all the way across. Again, make sure you leave an open space so that you can feed the elastic band through it. In the next clip, I will show you how you're going to feed the elastic band through the top. Remember the part I told you not to sew down and to leave open? Now it's time to feed the elastic band through it and push it through using the pin that you put on the end of the elastic band.